Okay, fine. We'll give her one more chance, okay? Alright, now remember, Zonda supporters, you have to cheer louder. It will encourage the birds. Plus, it will stop her from making a lot of excuses, huh? Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, all stand by, birds ready, let's go! This time around, the winner is Zonda! Not bad. It goes to show you these both birds are very good at gathering food. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the fruit gathering McCoys. Oh, what's your name?
Pao Pao.
What's your name?
Pao Pao.
Pao Pao, that's his name. No, Pao Pao means, it's a Mandarin word by the way, it means baby or precious. Right now, Pao Pao can say a couple of sounds, a couple of words, but before we start, he's got a message for you. He's saying shh. He wants everyone to remain quiet so you can hear him, alright? Now, the first sound. Is a knocking on the door. Alright, when someone's knocking on the door, what do you ask? He's asking who it is. Well, I think I know who it is. It must be his very fierce neighbor, the dog. How about, is it the dog? Doesn't sound like a fierce dog. Sounds more like a little puppy, huh? Now, Papa can also do high-tech sounds like this. Well, that's the ringing of the telephone. When the telephone's ringing, of course, you have to pick it up and you say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Let's give a big round of applause for Papa. He needs all the encouragement that he can get. Now, Pao Pao can also copy human sounds. Sounds like, for example, let me think. Okay, Pao Pao, when you're feeling sad, you have to cry, right? Pao Pao, how do you cry? That's how he cries, ladies and gentlemen, and I will have to cheer him up. You know how I cheer him up? I tickle him. Pao Pao, tickle. Very good, Pao Pao, very good. Now, Pao Pao is also learning how to sing, and he can only sing a line of the birthday song, alright? Just one line, he's still learning. Now, by any chance, anyone celebrating your birthday today? Right? It is the 16th of February. Whose birthday is it? Anyone's birthday? We got one birthday lady, we got two of them. Anyone here? Whose birthday? No one here? Okay, once again, middle section, whose birthday is it? 1, 2.
No.
You both seated on the same row. Okay, anybody else? Only 2. How about here? Anyone's birthday? None? Okay, never mind. For the both of you, both ladies here, Papa will sing you a line of the birthday song, okay? Alright, ready?
Listen, Henning.
Okay, it was a little bit too fast. Okay, he's still learning. We're going to try that again, together, but slowly. Okay, ready?
Happy birthday to you.
Again.
Happy birthday to you.
On your own.
Happy birthday to you.
Let's give it up for Papa! Okay, that was for the 2 ladies who celebrating your birthday. How about for everyone here? What do you want to say?
I love you. I love you.
Very good, Pao Pao. So before you go back home, can everyone say bye-bye, Pao Pao? Okay, now he will say bye-bye to you all, okay? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
One more time.
Bye-bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Pao Pao. Thank you. Pretty fair. Alright, now parrots like Pao Pao requires a lot of time and commitment to their homes and destroy them. Alright, think of 3 magical words: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Alright, let's wait for everyone to get seated down. Okay, volunteers ready? And off goes Patina. Off goes Vega. Now finally, we're going to try something even more challenging. Take a look at Sabrina. She's got a yellow shopping bag. no, she's not going shopping. And no, the bird is not gonna fly inside the bag. But yes, she will show you something else. Ready?
Oh.
Whoa!
Oh, shoot.
Sabina, are you sure she can fly through the hoop? Yes? Okay, fine, I trust you, okay? Alright, macaws. Now they have streamlined bodies that enable them to fly through the dense vegetation of the rainforest to escape from potential dangers and predators. Next, I will need your 100% cooperation to remain in your seats. Everyone, silence. Vega needs to concentrate. Ready, Vega? Off he goes! Yeah! Oh, hold on a second. You might have the birds land on their heads. Alright, let's wait a while more. We're good. They're shifting because I can understand that some seats have got sun shining on them. No problem at all. Okay, now man, palm facing upwards. Good. Sassy, you know what to do. Let's go. Onto the coupon. Well done. Alright man, with that coupon you can exchange for a cold drink at the Terrace kiosk right over there. Thank you very much. Have a seat. Good. Stand up on the line. We're all set to go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for the great finale, we are going to have lots of birds on stage. So let's get started. The first pair from Africa, the great white pelicans. Second pair from India, the spot-billed pelicans. All the way from Eastern Europe, we have 3 Dalmatian pelicans. Come over here, guys. Also from Africa, ladies and gentlemen, we have the beautiful ladies in pink with the long, beautiful legs. Let's give it up for the greater flamingo. Last but not least, we do have the beautiful, of course, from South America. Come